In search of nice weather and a spot to surf, we booked a ticket to Surfers Paradise Siargao, where we did find lots of surf spots and also lots and lots of rainstorms.
One of the best surf spots in the world.
The most popular surf spot here is Cloud 9. This wave is definitely not for beginners, but it's amazing to watch the pros do their thing. Next to Cloud 9 you can find Jacking Horse, a great beginner wave, but very busy, and you really have to watch out for the reef here.
So we went to the beach. We went to the beach this morning, and we thought, let's go again. No.
The weather just went on and off again, as you can see, but the second day started off really nice, so we decided to rent a bike and go to a hidden surf spot. It's half an hour drive from the main road, General Luna. The drive up there is very beautiful and we've never seen so many palm trees before. The secret spot is quite hard to find. You have to go through mud roads and then trespass a resort to get there, but it's definitely worth the hustle and you rent a board on the beach over there.
A little bit of trespassing. We managed to come here. I think they don't mind trespassing. And we came here to have a surf, to catch a wave. It's not that busy, or at least maybe it's as busy, but the places to surf is like stretched out. You can look at this, go everywhere. How many times have you stand? 2 times on the board. Very nice. You got those little kids. You see here, these little kids are like pro surfers now.
Yeah, he's owning it.
He's owning it.
We also celebrated New Year's Eve in the rain, of course.
So 1st of January, same burger place.
From Siargao we flew to Palawan Island, probably the most famous spot in the Philippines. We stayed at Nakpan beach, which is close to El Nido town. Here Julian had booked us 5 nights at a party hostel in a tent, which turned out to be quite comfortable. The location was amazing. We stayed on the beach, the sunsets were amazing to watch and the water was so nice. Number 1 tip here, bring cash to El Nido, since there are almost no working ATMs. Nakpan beach is pretty far from everything. There's like no supermarket and not that many restaurants beside the resort restaurants. But we found a very nice local owned spot on the beach with a great sunset view. We went here a few times. The Eco Lodge Hotel on Nakpan beach is also a great option, with vegan food and great service.
Yeah, I'm alright. Sorry about that.
So this is our local restaurant. We eat breakfast here every morning. And now we're going for some local dishes. Well, chicken barbecue and a chicken tzatziki.
It's local.
Tzatziki is local. Barbecue is international, worldwide. And this is what we're going for tonight. Donya got the best seat in front of the palm tree.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting right here just to see it. She's the one who likes the sunsets.
Of course. Who doesn't?
I thought I saw a dog. Oh, and this is fun. The owner's kid, Drew, a penis on his nose. He's very shy. Shy. Ah!
Not too far from Nakpan Beach, there's Dooley Beach, a great spot to surf. It's not crowded at all and there's a huge wave, so there's enough space for everyone to enjoy.
Very peaceful. Very quiet.
The way up here is just beautiful. It's such a nice island. And the boys on the beach rent out surfboards and can give lessons. And there are about 2 restaurants that also rent out boards and have really nice drinks and snacks. We really loved it here. It's nice for beginners as well, since the waves are not too high and the current is not too strong. Here is a little compilation of us struggling to get on our boards, but in the end, we did catch a few waves, so it was really nice. In the evening we had dinner at the Eco Lodge, which was great. And here you can see the roasted pumpkin with coconut cream, which was very delicious, and mango sticky rice for dessert. And after that it was time for a pub quiz / weird sorority game thing at the party hostel.
Oh, Julian booked us for my late birthday gift. So nice, thank you!
Ready? 3 in the air. Both of them. Both hands up in the air.
Oh, for fuck's sake, John, you're out. You fucked it. You're out.
So they put Coca bottles, soda bottles on the sides to keep it floating. Funny, beautiful boat.
Next to our hostel was a local owned stand where you can pre-order a chicken in the morning and they'll prepare it fresh for you in the afternoon on the beach. After 5 days on Nakpan Beach, we headed to El Nido town, the place from where our boat tour to Coron would depart. El Nido town is very touristy and full of restaurants and bars. It's quite busy as well. In the evening we had a briefing for our boat tour with Buhay Isla Tours somewhere out of town, and after that we had an early night sleep. The next day it was time for one of the greatest things we've done, a boat tour with 2 nights stay on secluded beaches, heading to Coron. The video will be out soon, so hit the subscribe buttons to stay updated. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thank you so much.